Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the Better Sleep app review in order to see if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Better Sleep app offers an expensive library of relaxing sound, guided meditation, and bedtime stories designed to help you wind down and improve sleep quality. It's well reviewed and especially helpful if you're struggling with falling asleep or creating a claiming nightmare routine. However, a significant amount of its content is locked behind the subscription paywall, and many users report that what was once free has been restricted. Also, sleep tracking features may not always be accurate. So in my opinion, Better Sleep is worth trying if you are serious about improving your sleep and don't mind paying for premium features. So if you are looking for purely free tools with minimal commitment, you might want to explore other alternatives. And that's it.